Question 26. A window repair specialist charges $220 for the first 2 hours of repair plus an hourly fee for each additional hour. The total cost for 5 hours of repair is $400. Which function f gives the total cost in dollars for x hours of repair where x is greater than or equal to 2? So at the moment we know that for the first 2 hours it is 220. And only after the first 2 hours there is an hourly fee for each additional hour. That has not been given. And the variable x has already been used to represent x hours of repair. So we can use another variable to find out the hourly fee for each additional hour. We can use some other variable. So 220 plus, in this case x, as you know, is x hours of repair minus 2 times, let's say C is the cost of the hourly fee for each additional hour after the first 2 hours. So for the 5 hours of repair that has been provided for us, which is 400. So in this case the x is 5 because we are talking about 5 hours of repair, and x, as you know, represents this. So we can use 220 plus 5 minus 2 times C is equal to 400. We can use this to solve for C first, because later we need the function f which gives the total cost for x hours of repair. Using the 5 hours information, we can then provide a general formula for x hours of repair. Once we know the constant C, that is the cost of the hourly fee for each additional hour. So 220 plus 5 minus 2 is 3C is equal to 400. After that, subtract 220 on both sides. So 3C will be equal to 400 minus 220. So 400 minus 220 is 180. Then divide both sides by 3. So 180 divided by 3, 3 times 6 is 18. So C is $60. That means after the first 2 hours, for the remaining 3 hours in this case, the window repair specialist will be charging $60 per hour. So in general, for x hours of repair, it will be f of x is equal to 220 plus x minus 2 times 60. So this is our equation, but the answer choices are not like this. It has been reduced and simplified. So let us do that. So 220 plus, we have to distribute this 60 here. 60x minus 2 times 60 is 120. So then 60x, then we have to combine this 220 minus 120. After simplification, f of x will be equal to 60x plus 100, because 220 minus 120 is 100. So we are left with 60x plus 100. And from the answer choices, therefore, we have to choose answer choice A.